someone just might be here. Maybe like I'll go to like see what age? Why? I don't know. Maybe my say it. Because no one's literally there. I don't like everybody asked. And I think I want to do more again second house. Well, we need the other to take our house, and how are we gonna I don't know how to use the stove. Yeah, you just said I know how actually I know how to do, but in the house, in our house. I know the stove, but I know what the stove is like. And sometimes I actually feel like I'm ready to cook. Maybe I just you know, I just learned it when I was and I haven't tried. And then I started cooking myself. Hey, they have a pool too, but it's not the same. It's not pool inside, it's art. And but it's different. Yeah. And he said that I'm the one who's trying. And where I go, I just got it from Martin. What's yours? Maybe you have a pool. I can't take this up for a second. This is there. By the way, these are not things that I'm thinking thing. I would work on how I get out of it, but I didn't get it. You know, if it's like 500 bucks, maybe it's like 500. 500 is not that cheap. I mean, not that expensive. 500 is cheap. Then what if it's 1000? 1000. It's also cheap, but it's a bit expensive. And I think they are 100 million. I'm forget if I get my own thing. I can say, oh, you know, maybe I should try downloading this. So you're too young for that. Only people, only kids aged above 13. Me and my brother. My brother is 8th grade and now it's 9th grade. As a teenager, he's still like, is he junior? Okay, you can download it when you turn 13 or above. Because you're still too young to have Gcash and you don't even know how to use Gcash. But you learn if you become 13 or above. And I don't know, right? Well, this is my first time I break one thing. I told you, if we did that here. So that's what happened. Now, if we know that happened, who is the big guy? I think I don't know. No, we're not. We're just going to pay. Now, am I supposed to get money? You can pay after you go home. If you're